Ford Expedition and Navigator seatbelt recall. Ford is recalling nearly 420,000 Ford Expeditions and Lincoln Navigator SUVs because of a seatbelt issue. The Ford seatbelt may not retract or extend properly. That may sound basic, but this is one of the most important safety systems in the vehicle. Before you talk about horsepower, screen, luxury materials, and self-driving features, the seatbelt needs to work every time and properly. My take is, if you own one of these SUVs, check your VIN, get it handled, and this is not a feature problem, this is a core safety problem. It needs to be handled seriously and urgently. Hello everybody and welcome. Thanks for watching the news, and let me know in the comment below if you appreciate this type of segments so I can produce more of them. Then like and subscribe. Ford also issued a do not drive warning for certain Bronco Sport Mavic vehicles. One involved front lower control arm ball joints. In simple terms, this is a suspension issue that could affect the vehicle control. So when automaker says do not drive, take that seriously. Do not say I only drive around town. Do not say just need to make a quick one or a quick trip. No, the vehicle is affected, park it and get it inspected. Ford has to get its recall situation under control. But for owners, the immediate priority is safety. Before you buy your next car, watch this, because the auto industry gave us one clearest warnings we have seen all year. Luxury brands are struggling to make EVs exciting. Automakers are rethinking electric plans. Major recalls are hitting Ford, Hyundai, Subaru, Honda, Acura, and others. Robotaxis are moving closer to the roads. Chinese automakers are pushing deeper into Europe. And add-to-right repair is becoming a national fight, which President Trump got involved in. So this is not just another week of car news. This is about trust. Can you trust your vehicle? Can you trust the technology? Can you trust the company? And most importantly, should you spend your hard-earned money on it? Welcome back to Berdy Automotive News Update. Let's get into it right now.